Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Easter make tutorial, but before I begin I'd like to discuss why I haven't been making a video in a while. I wanted to make a video for Valentine's Day, but I just sort of ran out of time. I thought about it and I prepared for it, but before you knew it, it was like February 7th or whatever, and I had 1 week, and so I was just like, I can do it next year, whatever. And so, before I begin this video, I'd like to say that usually when I do make tutorials, I get inspired by an artist or a certain look or whatever, and I try to make it my own. This tutorial, and I'm so excited to share this with you, is my idea completely. I didn't oh, I'm using this or whatever. It's all of my stuff. I just thought of, color schemes and things that remind me of Easter or the spring, and so I'm really excited to share this video with you. Let's go. So for my foundation, I'm just going to be using my Clinique Chubby and Nude foundation stick. And I'm just going to be applying that all over my face and then blending it in with a beauty blender. For the eyeshadow, I'm just going to be using my Sweet and Shimmer eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to be using that white shade right there, and I'm just going to be putting that on my lid and on my crease. For mascara, I'm just going to be using my Maybelline New York Lash Sensational. For blush, I'm going to be using my Maybelline New York, and I'm just going to be blending that in with the same beauty blender from before. For my highlighter, I'm just going to be using my Lottie Mermaid Glow highlighter using a fanning brush. And guys, this is so cool because it's rainbow and it comes out on your face rainbow. But I do recommend when wearing it, don't blend. It will stay on your face better and be more noticeable. I'm just highlighting my nose bridge, my cupid's bow, and my cheekbones. For the lips, I'm just going to be using my Cha Cha tint from Benefit, and I'm just going to be putting that on and then blending it with my fingers. That's the end of this video. I really hope you liked it. Let me know if you would like to have more looks just created by me. I thought this was really fun. I really enjoyed using the rainbow highlighter. Like I said, it sort of gave me that sort of Easter vibe. But other than that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And my social medias will be on the slide. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye. Happy Easter.